Hey guys, welcome to today's wig transformation video. So if you are new, well, welcome. If you are not, thanks for stopping by. So today we're going to be transforming this wig, solving every problem with it. You see how thin it is, how old that closure is, and the stylists who been installing it have cut it, or probably it came I think it actually came with that little list. So, I mean, sometimes the other 13x4 just be so small, okay? So, today we're going to be transforming this particular wig. We're going to be adding 126 inches bundle, and we're going to be adding of 13x6 frontal. Yeah, that's how big it is compared to the 13x4. I did a video and I actually did a live on the different kinds of lace. So if you haven't seen that and you really don't know the different kinds and you want to take a look, well, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I'm sure you will find that video. So what I did was take off the old frontal, because definitely I have to do that before I can go in and put the new one. So that's how it look when you cut off the frontal. You left with that, just the wig. You can put it on like that and start it whatever way. Good luck. So yeah, um, that's the 13x6 we're gonna be using. So let's get to work. What I'm doing here is just setting it, making sure that it's aligned right before I put it under the machine and sew it. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so what I'm doing right now is actually adding the new bundles onto the wig. So I'm going in between every tracks and adding the new weft to it. So if you would like to see details on how this is done, well, just let me know. I don't mind making a clearer video that show what I'm doing in there, but it takes time. You gotta like separate the old head and then take the new weft and sew it onto the old track. So yeah. So at this point, the wig is all done. I wash it, conditioner it, and I let it air dry. So what I'm doing right now is about to get right into starting it. So you know me, I will definitely rock it as it is. Just give it some neck spots and maybe little baby hair or maybe no baby hair at all, because this wig came pre-plucked. You see that? It's so beautiful. But my client who owned this wig, oh my gosh, she loved to have some braids in there so bad. And first of all, that's why we had to change the frontal in the first place, because when I first installed the wig for her, the picture of style she wanted, the lace was too small to achieve it. So I told her, I said, but this is what I can do for you. I can take this off and add a big up lace that, will enable us to braid it, whatever way you like. So she was like, oh, okay, that sounds good. So that's why, that's how we got to where we are today with transforming this hair. So I'm about to go into that and braid it. So if you want to see how we do this, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you a clearer video on how I make the braids. So in order to have a beautiful braids, your parts gotta be really nice and neat, like clean. That's the first thing you need to work on. So me braiding or a wig, yo, you gotta like it took me time, like just trying to make sure the part is right because this is a frontal. It's like you making it, you giving it the look and the way the hair is even stitched to the lace is not going straight like the way in which I'm making the part. So I already had to like really like pull that comb through there and make the part because I wasn't even trying to pluck it. Like I can't even do that. I mean, I wasn't trying to do that. So I already had to take my time to make the part so that it looked nice and clean. All right. If you don't know how to braid, well, I showed there's not a video out there on how to do cornrows. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just doing a cornrow. Okay. And this frontal was the frontal and the added bundles. It was actually bought from my store, Kelsey's Unique Hair. But the wig, I don't know where she got the wig from, but I just transformed it for her and she bought the bundles, the one added bundle in the front of from me. So if you looking for something like this, Kelsey's Unique Hair, we got you. So far we're doing a good job. We done with that. I'm sure you saw how I braided it because I had that zoom out a little bit. So yeah, this style is couple of little one with two big ones. She actually sent me a picture of this, so I did what was on the picture. So yeah. So when I'm doing a job and I'm charging you, it's because it takes time. It gotta be perfect. I gotta make sure I give you what you pay for. I'm not trying to rush it. I'm not trying to just complete the job, but I'm trying to make sure it's something you're gonna like and be, and appreciate. So when I'm doing it, I go back and forth because if it's not coming out the way I want, I'm gonna do it again till it look like what I want it to look like. So you see me braiding and losing it, yeah, it's normal. It just it didn't come out the way I wanted it to, so I took it up and I did it again. So yeah, I go back and forth. So it's not easy. It's really not easy, y'all. So understand when or others is charging you, we charge for a lot of stuff. Okay? Because we want to give you the best. So that's the shine gem you see me using. That is actually for, braids and starting off hair. You could use it for edge control and stuff like that. It's really good. It helps keep the hair neat and increase the shines. It really does not make the hair oily or anything like that. It just add extra hold, keep it really neat. So it's called the shine jam. You can, try that if you want. But a lot of braiders use it. So yeah, yeah. So braid is done and we're about to hold it up. So I would have recommend that we, get like half bundles or extra one bundle and tie it up there after making a little ponytail. That would have been fun. But maybe next time. I know my girl, she like, you got an idea, bring it, I want it. She don't mind paying. So but this time around we're just gonna do this, and maybe later on we can get an extra bundle and then make that ponytail little bigger, because that's just gonna make it pop. That gonna make it pop so bad. If I'm doing something like this for myself, yeah, I'm gonna add one bundle up there so that that baby look good. But so far so good. It came out nice, and thanks for staying with me. Let's see how it turned out. I know you want to see the final results, so let's get into that. So what I'm doing is just wrapping some of the hair around the band, because definitely you don't want that band showing out like that. So you want to do that. Yeah, that makes it look so nice and neat. So you want to do that. Final look. That's how our baby turned out. So beautiful. Wow. So that's how that frontal was when we, first got our hands on it. And this is how it looked when we got done. So, yo, this is amazing. This is beautiful. So, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, because, as usual, we always got more coming your way. Well, if you watch this to the end, thank you. Thank you, and thanks for subscribing. Thanks for being part of our family. Remember, you are unique as you are. Peace.